First, unplug the laser module cable and remove the laser module. Use a 2mm hexagonal wrench to loosen the screws. Remove the metal slide and the injection molded parts. When replacing the Y-axis timing belt, you need to remove the acrylic cover top plate first. Remove the fan cable from the clear cable duct and disconnect it. Remove the acrylic cover top panel. Use an Allen wrench to loosen the T-screws on both sides of the timing belt. Remove the timing belt. Pass the new timing belt through the timing pulley and the connecting shaft. Roll the connecting shaft to allow the timing belt to pass smoothly. First, insert one of the T-screws into the profile along the X-axis direction. Press it onto the timing belt and tighten it. Pull the timing belt tight on the other side and insert the T-screw to tighten it. After installation, the synchronous belt is elastic when pressed, and the synchronous wheel slides without jamming. Install the metal slide and injection molded parts onto the X-axis frame. Install the laser module and connect the cables. When installing the acrylic cover top plate, first pass the fan cable through the transparent cable duct from under the motor. Then connect the fan cables. Finally, install the acrylic cover top plate.